Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a very simple tip on how to organize your food that comes in plastic bags. So usually they come like this after you take some food out, and then you either attach it with a rubber band or a back clip, but it just looks very messy in the pantry. So what I like to do with the thinner plastic bag is first get rid of the little plastic piece that it comes with. And all you do is take all the air out of the bag, twist it 2 times, and then flip the bag inside out onto itself. So now it's contained, it stays in the shape, and it makes your pantry look a lot cleaner. Right? Okay, so when you have harder plastics like this for chips and crackers, what I like to do is, first of all, bonus tip. I keep a letter opener in my kitchen drawer because I use it to open up packages. All you do is make a little cut and then you pull it across and you get a very clean cut. So very handy tool to keep in your kitchen. Also, it's where I do my opening my mail, so that's why I keep it there too. And then, same thing, take all the air out and fold down the corners so it's like a triangle. And then you fold down until you reach the food. And I bet in your office desk drawer you have these binder clips. So you just clip it in the middle, flip the little handles down, and there you go. You've got this nice little package. You know exactly how much you have left. It's airtight also, and you can do that with all your snack foods. You can do it with bags of lettuce. You can do it for your shredded cheese. So the same thing can apply to the refrigerator. And then I'll use a small container. You can use a cardboard box too. And then you just line up your little bags based on their height. Tall, medium, short. And so that way when you open up your pantry, you can see exactly what you have. So I hope you like this tip. Try it, let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.